History of the Vaspurakan Kingdom. During the Middle Ages, the Van region and all of eastern Anatolia were controlled by powerful families, mainly of Armenian descent. Two of these families eventually became prominent, the Bagratuni family from Ani and the Artsaruni family, who ruled over the Rushunik. The Van Gola Basin, known as Vaspurakan in the early Middle Ages, was a region belonging to the Rushunik. The Artsaruni family settled in the region after taking control of a part of the Rushtuni land south of Lake Van. They quickly spread to all of Vaspurakan, reaching Lake Urmia to the east, Mount Agri, Ararat, to the north, and the Zap River to the south. In the early Middle Ages, the struggle for dominance over the Van region was between the Roman Empire, the Parthians, and the Sassanid empires. The Eastern Romans emerged victorious, and the Van region was captured by the Eastern Roman, Byzantine, army in the 4th century. However, during this struggle, the Islamic armies entered the region in 641 during the time of Hertz, Omer. Under the Umayyads, the region was brought under control and turned into an emirate with Dvn as its center. The governors sent to administer the region were mainly concerned with tax collection, while the internal affairs of the province were overseen by Armenian nobles. The Abbasids used these Armenian nobles as governors to administer the region under the name Armenia/Ermeni. During the Abbasid period, when Islamic rule was fully established, the increasing pressure from Arab governors led to numerous revolts in the region. Turkish rulers were tasked with suppressing these revolts. In 851, the unrest caused by Vaspurakan Prince Ashit in the Van region was suppressed by the intervention of the Turkish commander Boga el-Kabir, and peace was restored to the region. In 862, Ali B. Yehya, who was appointed as the governor of Armenia, granted the title of Ishkhan of Ishkans to Ashid B. Simbad of the Bagratuni family in order to prevent these Armenian revolts and to destroy the influence of the Byzantine Empire over the Armenians. During the time of Muhammad el-Afsin, who was appointed as the governor of Azerbaijan in 890 and the founder of the Turkish Sakigalari dynasty in the region, Simbad bin Ashit was in the Van region and paying taxes to the Abbasids. When Simbad allied with the Byzantine Emperor for Leon against the Abbasids, the relationship between Muhammad el-Afsin and the Bagratuni dynasty deteriorated. As a result, el-Afsin defeated the Bagratuni dynasty by taking the Artsaruni dynasty to his side. After the death of Vaspurakan Prince Gregor Derenik of the Artsaruni dynasty, the Van Gola Basin was divided between his sons Ashit Sargis, Hasik Gajik, and Gurjan. Afsin took advantage of this turmoil and made all three sons his subjects. In 908, the Abbasid Caliph Muqtadir crowned the Artsaruni Prince Gajik, who lived in the Vaspurakan region southeast of Lake Van, and granted him the title of king. The word Vaspurakan means the highest, the noblest class, in the Sassanid language. The old name Voston was adopted as the center. The principality was free in internal affairs but remained dependent on the Abbasids in foreign affairs. Prosperity and the Akdamar Church. During the period of peace that followed the Abbasid caliph's granting of the title of king to Gajik, the two brothers Gajik and Gurjan began extensive construction work in Voston and Akdamar. The Armenian historian Thomas Ardzuni, who came from the same lineage as Prince Gajik, speaks of King Gajik as a hero. He emphasizes that he was a peaceful, merciful, and art-loving ruler, and describes the great wealth of the kingdom during his time. According to Ardzuni, Gajik's favored buildings were the church, palace, monastery, town, market, and port located on Akdamar Island, and all of the buildings were designed by Gajik himself. The Vaspurakan kingdom, centered on Voston, built many structures around Lake Van during this period. The construction of the Holy Cross Church of Akdamar.